Scooter Dwee ban do dee dee ban dee dee Scooter so the dwee that do dee squee that dee do Billy bam 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 baby do dee skeleton do bam bam baby do bam 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 do 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 bebop 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 the king of bebop, String Bean McCoy. Once upon a time, before there was rap music, hip-hop, rock and roll, or MTV, there was a very special group of musicians who were cats. These cats played jazz music and used beats and rhythms no one had ever heard before. They invented their own language, often making up words that only they understood. Cool cats greeted each other by saying, ooh shooby-doo, and ooh papa-doo, and how do you do? They called money bread, and people with lots of money fat cats. The fat cats sat around the house all day counting their bread. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. But if you think that to be cool meant you had to be a jazz musician, you'd be wrong. Even cats who loved listening to jazz were cool. You see, these cats went to music clubs where the jazz cats performed. They listened and applauded, and they bought every new recording made by their favorite jazz cat. The cool jazz cats and their cool cat fans preferred each other's company, but unfortunately they had to share space with cats who were definitely not cool. Uncool cats were called squares by their cool brothers and sisters. Square cats didn't like jazz. It was just too different. They preferred easy listening music, soft ballads with even tempos and predictable rhythms. When the square cats had children, many of them were shocked to discover they had brought cool kittens into the world. Square parents were at a loss to explain their children's taste in music. Why do you listen to music that's fast and slow, high and low, and irritating all at the same time? The coolest of all the young cool cats was String Bean McCoy. He played a dented old saxophone. Not only could he play fast and slow, high and low, but his sounds were big. When he blew into the horn, the walls shook and shivered.